Engineer campground.
On the Mark Twain Lake.
Never been here before.
And it's Ray, we can't pronounce.
Behrans, maybe Bahrains.
And we're on this loop. Now it is early Friday yet, but there is nobody here yet.
What's the deal?
Now we're going to go for a little walk. It's still in the 90s, low 90s.
There's a lake access trail that's right beside us. Park, it feels like you're in the middle of the woods. Like it feels like we went to some wilderness place or some rustic place, not in a campground. We've got woods all around us. I don't know if you can see them, but woods are all around us, and you can hear the birds or the insects. Or I'm like, this would be a good place to come in maybe the fall, and you could open up the windows and let the air come in, and it does feel like we're in the woods somewhere though. So we're gonna go exploring some more. Right, Mikey? Yes. To go see what's around us, and I think we can ride our bikes.
We drove around a little. There's not a lot around here. More RV parks. We didn't get to the state one, but we got to the other side of the Corps of Engineer ones, and it's like this. So far in our little loop here, we have the whole place to ourselves. So Kathy's starting supper. It's finally starting to cool off a little bit. It was hot when we got down to the lake. And I may take my drone up to see what's around. Come our tradition.
Well, I gotta say I was wrong. I thought this was only electric sites, but that's not true. There is electric, sewer, and water on some sites.
But they're not as nice as this down here. We're taking our evening walk.
With our trash.
With our trash and our dog. We're walking up, and it's not that far.
It does seem to be a good ride your bike place. So tomorrow we're going to ride our bike.
And probably do a hike.
Do a hike. And
we probably will spray down this time, though.
Yeah, we're going. There is there's no probably. We will spray down. I am ate up from last weekend.
Yeah, in our last video.
And we're going to bring water.
In our last video, I suggested water.
Yeah.
And I said, no, we won't get no ticks. We didn't get no ticks.
We didn't get ticks.
Oh, we got chiggers like I've never had before.
Yeah, it looks like I have chicken pox all over my legs.
Yeah, you just said it's kind of eerie here because there's hardly anybody here.
Now, when we just drove around where the campers were at, a lot of people were...
The full
hookup. That looked like there's a lot of people, but here, it is honestly like, we feel like we're camping in a park that we just like, I don't know, it just feels weird.
Good morning, it's Saturday morning, and we had blueberry pancakes for breakfast, and the plans today, it's supposed to get really warm. The plans today is to go hiking this morning while it's still relatively cool. We're going to spray our legs this time, and we're going to take water with us. Right, Kathy?
What?
We're going to take water and spray with us this time.
Water and spray.
And
snacks.
Oh, and snacks. Kathy doesn't go anywhere without snacks. Then we're going to go to the state park. They have a swim area over there when it gets really hot. We'll go over there and that's the plans for today. And then this evening we might go for a little bike ride. We brought our hybrid bikes. We are looking into buying mountain bikes because Kathy and I think we'll start using those quite a bit. I've got the fire set up for tonight, so we'll have a fire tonight. And then tomorrow I think we'll just take our time and get things loaded up and head home tomorrow. So, well, we don't know if it says trail, it says TR. And what's your go on the 2.5?
It's 2.5 total.
Total miles, 2.5?
That's what it says.
Okay, it doesn't say total behind it.
Okay.
Here we go. You got your app on?
Here we go. Not yet, but I'm going to. Come on, Piper. We're going to do the overlook, the half a mile loop, which, it was, is that a mile? Mile. Or the Hickory Bluff Trail.
We're going to do both.
He thinks we're going to do both.
Mm-hmm.
We'll start with this one and go this way.
Okay.
Come on, Piper.
So we walked out to the bluff.
The overlook.
Oh, the overlook. We thought it was a bluff. What was the overlook?
It's not very impressive.
No, it was just a bunch
you
of
barely
trees.
can even overlook anything.
You barely see the lake.
Yeah.
And lots of spiders across the trail. Kathy used a stick to break as many as we could. I tried to get a picture of one. And Piper went and chased deer earlier. She just took off. It took us a while to get her back. So she's tired already.
She's tired. Lots of downed trees, like where we're at.
Yeah.
Show them where we're at.
They had a storm here before we came up, and all these trees through the whole woods, especially on this bluff, they were all down. Somebody came and cut them all down, but they just left them laying here. So, and our doggie is panting already.
Probably need to give her some water.
Well, we did our hike, and we're a little spoiled with the Ozarks. It was a grassy, non-eventful hike.
No, we're used to like looking over and a scenic view. There wasn't a scenic view. There was nothing but
You could
woods.
see the lake between the trees, but that was it.
I wouldn't do that hike again.
Now, if we were going to rate it, we'd rate it a 2.
I would rate it a 2.
Yeah. Photographic trip. I did a time lapse, but there wasn't a lot of clouds. I flew my drone over the water. It's an impressive looking dam. There's lots of water. Yeah.
All that water.
But I tell you what, it's still nerve-wracking, and there was wires across the waterway, so I had to watch the water and the wires, and I think I got some good footage. Don't want to jinx myself. Yeah. We're going back.
Glad we came, but we probably won't come back again. If we do come back, we will stay at the Mark Twain State Park.
And that's unusual, because normally we always think the Corps of Engineers side is better.
But for us, because we don't have a boat, if we had a boat, it'd be different.
It seemed like a boat lake. It's Sunday morning, go home morning. Kathy and I was having coffee this morning. We were talking about we're looking forward to the day we can say, well, do we want to go home today or do we want to try someplace else? We're looking forward to that. So hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe. Foto-Pod Adventures. It helps our channel. Thank you.